And handsome, or both of them are beautiful. Sir Florencio or Mom Glory and Mom Janice. To the most beautiful, knowledgeable, and approachable principal, Dr. Gima N. Escobar, Ma'am. Her equally supportive, knowledgeable, beautiful and handsome right hands in the school. They have teachers, 3 of the different departments. Mrs. J. R. Mayrena of the Science Department, Ma'am. Mrs. Rowena A. Bernales of the ESP Department, Ma'am. Mrs. Aurora J. Tulaton Sarmiento of the Filipino Department, Ma'am. Miss Gina Perez of the Mantel Department, Ma'am. Parang wala yata siya. Pati si Ma'am Rose. And the OIC of the Senior High School. Ma'am, although I think she's not around. Miss Rose Perez of the English Department. Awan mo, dyan nakita. Anyway, Ma'am. Mrs. Virginia G. Acas of the Mathematics Department, Ma'am. Dr. Delphine L. Cariaga of the AP Department, sir. And the youngest of them all, our very supportive head teacher 3 of the TLE department, a head teacher of all seasons. I will say that, I'll describe him as that, because kahit na pagod, everything, he does it without any hesitation. Makikita mo lang parang pagod, pero gagawin pa rin niya. Tutulungan pa rin niya lahat. Pati ako nga, tinutulungan, especially sa computer. Naalala ko tuloy when we have had the pre-evaluation of the yung IPCRF. Sakmang Command, tinaulong nohang ni Sir Brian. Talaga nga in-prepare na amin the folders niya. Pati pa nag-prepare, supportaran na kami. So nga, nagdakkel na yaman ko. Nagdakkel na ragsak ko. Mahala nga da kami, kay ayatan na nga tulungan. Basta na da, umasidergan ko niya. Uri makikita mo nga mabannog, tulungan na lang pa. And most of course, this type of event that I am having now will not be like this without him as the director of the department. And of course, the concerted effort sa mga anak ko, ginawa nila akong prinsesa, ginawa nila akong debutant senior version. At least mapadasak pinag-debut. Dapat isaan ko nga malipatan. Actually, last February 29, intero pisanit ko. Patiga po na, I was not expecting that they will be giving me a surprise send-off in our department. Kaya meron kayong nakita doon, naka-Thursday uniform kami. And of course, I was also happy because of the presence of our dear principal. She was there. And we enjoyed much. Until yung last, ano ba yun? Nalipat. Mio. Manula nga ang bulan ng Jack Masimran ay biometrics. Na photoshoot yun. Even yung pag-exit ko sa gate, talagang ang gagaling nilang directors. Gumawa pa sila ng GC na sila-sila lang. Actually, I was there in the school rushing all the things that I should be doing before leaving the school. Doing the SF10 before handing it to the next advisor. But because of the surprise send-off, I was not able to do it. I brought it home, I brought those forms home and brought back after how many weeks. Nagsangsanita, kinabarak tirupak na babae na kamakita dang agsangita. Na-feel ko na talaga ti ayat da. Yung magkatawa ang nagtatawa. Kasla ayawan da. Buti na lang, imalay dati gown ko. Sana yung pagayo na nagpaday ka. So, I'll continue. Sir Alan S. Jefferson Mon, our administrative officer 4 of our school. Very short span lang na nakikilala ko si Sir. But I feel his, ano bang tawag ko? Ano ba ang gusto kong i-describe? Yung concern niya sa mga tao, sa mga tauhan. Hindi niya pinahihirapan. Tinitingnan niya kung paano mapagaan ang gawain natin. Bawat isa, tinitingnan niya kung paano gagaan ang ating mga gagawin. I salute you, sir. Sana, kung pwede sanang bumalik, naalala ko tuloy, sir, nung nagpaalam ako sa'yo. Ako, ma'am, malapit na ang May, sayang yung bonus mo. Sabi gano'n. Pagpunta ko ulit, ready na yung mga papers ko kasi mantibagdaganan. Pero I really decided. Kasi gusto ko naman may umangat sa department namin. Hindi lang sa utang at the age of 60, I already retired. Yung intro naman, kadakol, 500,000 pa galing give balance ko ka-absent. Of course, the non-teaching staff, especially those who really exerted their best effort in preparing my retirement papers, and a special mention kay Ma'am Joanne, kay Tintin, and the rest. My second family, the master teachers. Naku, ang daming sweets. Kaninang binibigay nyo, grabe. Paano ko ito kakainin? Ang taas ng sugar ko. Teachers, and of course, my better half, my very supportive husband, especially noong pandemic. Kung wala siya, paano kaya ako makakarating dito sa La Union? Napaka-higpit nila nun. Dala-dala pa namin yung apo ko. Yung apo ko sa Sabino, at the police, agkulmover. Amo naman din, matansya na makalabas. Kunahan na, awan ka nun na makalabas. So, thank you lakay sa pagsuporta. Ang abanita, adating mo mo yung pension ko. Siyempre. Sayang nga lang tawag yung manugang ko kay DJ Apo kasi Zoom meeting na yung manugang ko ta kalubos ni Apo May 2 at sublimat na at trabaho. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, it's lovely to see you. Have a wonderful afternoon. Finally, we all have gathered to be a part of this very special, bittersweet occasion, my send-off, celebration, and party. Thank you for arranging such a grand send-off